Perfect. Casey, what is a thermal bridge?
A thermal bridge would be a product that has a significantly higher heat transfer than its surrounding products. So to give you an example would be a typical thermal bridge in a typical home would be the stud. So in general, most homes, say built nowadays, there is some new building code changes getting rid of this, but you would have a 2x6 stud that goes from the back of the exterior sheathing to the back of the drywall on the inside of the home. That would be considered a thermal bridge because there's no insulation on either side of that stud. And then in between each stud, you have insulation. So obviously the plate below is a thermal bridge and the plate up top is a thermal bridge. So those are all areas. If you were to look at a thermal imaging camera, which you may have seen at this point, if not, just Google it and you'll find it, you would be able to literally see every single stud in that wall. So in order to get rid of thermal bridging, what we like to do, it depends on the building, but the most typical way of doing it is by putting insulation on the exterior. So where the exterior sheathing is, you would put in like an inch or 2 inch or 3 inch or 4 inch, the more the better, and depends on what energy standard you're going for. But you would put that insulation on the outside, and what that does is it keeps that stud from getting cold, if we're talking about the winter. So the cold air won't be able to get to that stud. You can also turn that insulation into your air barrier, your vapor barrier, depends on the building. Once again, I won't get into all that at this point, but ideally what you're doing is getting rid of that material that can conduct heat or cold through it more than what insulation would do, whether that's foam insulation or whether that's rock solid, whatever it may be. There's all sorts of different insulation. We'll keep that for another one.